Wow, look at this giant tear rolling right down a smiling face and splashing into a tiny puddle. It leads to a strange question. Why would a normal chore like chopping an onion force your eyes to well up, even when you're perfectly happy? Today, we are looking at the biology of the human body to understand why we cry. Crying is an active physical mechanism. When those drops start flowing, your body is essentially yelling, "Sprinklers on!" Crying involves a physical coordination that connects your eyes and your nose in ways you might not expect. This diagram shows a specialized tear factory located right above the outer edge of each eye. Scientists call this factory a gland, a tiny body part that manufactures a specific resource your body needs to function. This factory produces 3 entirely distinct categories of tears. Tear type number 1 is the basal tear. It provides a constant layer of moisture to keep your eyes wet and comfortable all day, usually without you ever noticing it. Your eyes perform this maintenance around the clock to ensure they stay healthy and clear. Then there is tear type number 2, the emotional tear. These arrive during extreme spikes in feeling, from overwhelming sadness to incredible joy. When those feelings hit, the tear factory goes into overdrive, producing far more liquid than your eye can actually hold at once. This cross-section reveals a hidden connection, a tiny drainage tunnel or duct running from your eye's inner corner straight into your nose. That runny nose during a heavy cry consists of excess emotional tears draining down this internal pipe. It gives a whole new meaning to the phrase tearjerker. That runny nose shows the body's overflow management system is operating exactly as designed. Tears are actually made of salty water, packed with special germ-fighting ingredients to protect the eye, almost like a microscopic security team. Which brings us back to our mystery, the onion. When a chef chopped an onion on a cutting board, the slicing process releases a stinging gas into the air. Your eye detects that gas and immediately deploys tear type number 3, the reflex tear, which floods the eye to rinse the irritant away. The onion triggers an automatic protective rinse cycle, bypassing your emotions entirely. These 3 types of tears form a biological defense system that keeps your eyes clean, safe, and ready to express how you feel. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. How many types of tears does your body make? 3. Question 2. What do those tears taste like? Salty. Question 3. Why do onions force our eyes to water? They release a stinging gas that your eyes have to wash out. If you aced that quiz, hit subscribe to join the lab crew for our next adventure. To recap, your glands make 3 types of tears: basal for comfort, emotional for feelings, and reflex for washing away irritants like onion gas. Try explaining reflex tears to a grown-up the next time they're in the kitchen. You can even suggest chilling the onion in the fridge first. Cold onions release less gas, which means fewer tears. Now you know why we cry. But why does a spicy pepper make your mouth feel like it's on fire, even when there's no heat at all? Tap right here to find out.